This video has been brought to you by Paper.
Stop watching Toy Story all day. I am hacking your TV.
What do you mean?
Enough of Toy Story.
What do you mean there's enough of Toy Story? I want more Toy Story!
There is something for you outside.
Outside?
There is somebody outside.
What do you mean there's somebody outside? What the heck is this?
Pull it up.
What is this?
Shut up and pull.
What?
Faster.
What the heck? What the heck? Well, thank you.
You are welcome, Lemon Boy.
The new 2020 iPad is here. Let's unbox it. Let's go ahead and finally. It's been a long time since I've been waiting this iPad. Sexy. Here it is. I actually got the 12.9 inch in silver. I always got it in space gray, but it's actually the first time that I got it in silver. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way. Designed by Apple in California. We got USB-C and a bunch of other stuff. Where are the Apple stickers? I need the Apple stickers. Give them to me. There are no Apple stickers. This is the worst unboxing in the world. Beautiful, sexy, amazing. I want to marry this iPad. Look how beautiful this is. It's huge. Here's a quick comparison between the space gray and the silver and the 11 inch and the 12.9 inch and the 2018 versus the 2020 iPad Pro. I'm gonna be doing a video comparing both of them, but just for you guys to check out the new camera bump. This only has one camera and this has two cameras plus the lidar scan. Please give a big round of applause for Tanya. She found the Apple stickers. Beware, there are Apple stickers in the $1,000 iPad Pro. Thank you. Alright guys, let's go ahead and check out the lidar scanner, which makes great AR. I'm here in Apple's augmented reality section. If you guys want to test out AR, this website from Apple is perfect. Look at this. Look at this little guy. I can move, and look, if I actually put my hand over it, it knows that it's actually there. So it actually provides depth, like actual depth. This is crazy. Let's go ahead and see how some outdoor furniture would look in the outdoor patio. Let's go ahead and tap this, tap AR, and whoa, there we go. All right, so the 2020 iPad Pro has the A12 Z Bionic chip, which makes the iPad Pro faster than ever. I mean, the 2018 iPad Pro was already super fast, but now it's even faster. All right, Paperlike is a screen protector that makes your iPad Pro feel like you're actually writing on a piece of paper. This, do you hear this? It feels like you're actually writing on paper. One of the things that I don't like about the iPad Pro is that taking a bunch of notes and drawing, when you draw and when you take notes, it's kind of slippery, and that's where Paperlike comes in. Jenny.
Vale.
She's never actually tried out Paperlike. First off, try it with a non-Paperlike. All right, and this is Paperlike.
Ja,
Yeah.
igual.
What do you think?
Ay, qué guay.
10 out of 10?
Yes.
10 out of 10?
Sí.
10 out of 10. So yeah, I mean, it's perfect for students, for artists that draw a lot, that take tons of notes. Paperlike is awesome, and it is linked down in the description. The new iPad Pro also has studio quality microphones, so you can literally record a podcast, or you can do some ASMR. Check this out. This is Chenia. How satisfying is this? Say something.
No.
It's awesome.
That's life. That's life. That's what all the people say.